In this tutorial, we're going to learn, I'm going to show you how to use colors in Canva as a filter actually, which is a very useful tool. No one actually, like very few people know this can be done. So they actually use, most of people actually use these filters, which are great. I mean, these filters are great. You can use them to make the picture look most better and most as you want them to look like. But I'm going to show you a different tool which might be better depending on the project. So I'm going to just leave this as in Viva there, and then when you have the image, you first, what you have to do is to get your transparency down to 90%, maybe that's a good number, and then it's going to show you right here the color option. So you click on it and you put any color you want, like blue or this or this or this. This you can see that whenever color you choose, the image will be changing, uh, and you can even use it with gradients. So right here you can see it. If you want a more intense effect, you can slow even more down the transparency, now down to 75 or 76. You can see right here that it looks great. So you guys can check this out for yourself and, you know, make your backgrounds or your images was look more alive. So there you go. Hope you guys find this useful and see you on the next tutorial.